One of you had suggested me to do a video on acne positivity. Thanks Diposhri for commenting on my post and asking me to do it, but this is a real challenge. I am shooting this video for the 50th time, I think, and I am not able to get the right speech. But yeah, I think this will be the final one which I am making, and if it doesn't make, I think I will have to delete this video and I will have to skip the fact of posting it. Let me just ask you a question. Haven't you ever in your life commented about anybody being so fat or thin? Haven't you ever commented of anybody being so dark or so fair? Haven't you ever commented about somebody's outfit? Haven't you ever commented about somebody's weird looks? Haven't you ever commented about somebody's hair color? Just reply me. I know you have done it, right? Even I have done it. We have been brought up in a society where we discriminate people based on their looks, based on their race, religion, caste, creed, and whatnot. And I know our generation is changing, it's changing, and I'm glad that it's happening. Can you recall a fact when you have been suffering from acne and nobody has commented you about your acne in a period of 7 days or a month? I don't think so. You can't shut everybody out, right? So, when somebody comments about something to you, when somebody comments about your acne to you, just think that they are also in that phase. They are also in that phase of growth, and they have also not been through the growth phase which you have been through. Because you also might have commented in the past, right? And now you have stopped commenting. I think they will also do the same. And when they tell you about your acne, just digest it and don't give a damn, okay? For me, now I have got rid of acne. For me, it's easy to tell you that just don't give a damn, but I know it really isn't so easy. So, second tip, you have to avoid all the video calls, all the WhatsApp calls, all the Skype calls, all the meetings where the video is being shown. Even if you do so, even if you go out, you have the compulsion of going out, your mask is saving you now, right? So yeah, that is one of the advantages which is happening right now due to COVID. You can mask your face and you don't have to fake a smile or show your acne. That is a good thing. Third tip, if you have the compulsion of going out or meeting a friend through video call or video chat, and I mean by anybody means anybody, even if you're relative, except your mom and dad, I think you don't need to show your face to anyone who is not comfortable and who you know will comment. If you're not able to deal with it, then you have to conceal it, right? So either you use a concealer, foundation, independent of the gender, you can just apply it no matter what. You conceal your face, and now first of all, it's more easy to conceal your face because you have the mask. Secondly, even if you don't have the mask, conceal it with your foundation or concealer, or else you can use a tinted sunscreen and just conceal it, okay? These are the tips, and this is how I deal with my acne. I used to deal with my acne. Some of the comments are actually coming from people who actually care about us, and when they comment, I just take it positively and I just tell them that yes, I will show to a doctor and I will visit a dermatologist. I think it's not necessary for you to explain to each and every one what you are going through. It is not a Gyan wala video, and I don't want to extend it just like that. So yeah, that was all about today's video. I hope you take some inspiration and some positivity from this video. See you in my next one super soon. Take care. Bye.